Media the major prophet Kumchacha. Uni bibi ene TV bebre aba, social media bebre ena aba. Na me prophet Kumchacha de bebie no no mo amehwe. Say too much GH. Say too much GH no. Bomoden ne hwe. Na wo hwe a wo benya ne yamapa ewo ho. Sisan wo YouTube no baby a wona nam bia pie firi ho. Won say ne ko bi kura asese ne din. Won say friend tilapia. Wachema ya asese ne din, friend security officer. Fitani asese ne din. And your friend say mechanic. Zana prophet Kumchacha ma sesa me YouTube no. Baby a me hwe bia ma change afro and maba too much GH. Hwe na prophet Kumchacha me so me hwe.
Tapasam na oto wa woka no anu na egusu di wanim no wutiri ni bebre se wonye sika yi wuti abra ye be ma sika ko yiti ka kira wo asamba na oka ye no kure se mode godas kukuko mo bra njilo bi ni dabai saka mo ne wan kam na beji akosi dem se woni ma ka kira wo obi oni bi bibra bishop obi ni biar men na me di kofie ba ka kira wo mi wo go bia ga mi wo sese mi wo pot bia go das bia wo mpo no matam dia kosi wo be ka kira wo alamu fo se ye yankola bi no mo betu enyi agu ye ne na alamu dia be dia gura na wo ba kira se kan sam won sama wo kan nyina a kira se ya bo pa sakan ana wo kan me ka kira wo plane won sama ba trase ya wo kan no e kire ki bade manyansa ni bia ahemfuaguo manim empanifuaguo manim nyina hwe program ni bia obi anim se ya bo pa se bra ba trase kan akoshinsam enabra masam atesam abususam fakire nipa but ye de nyanu ni ehwe because I don't know the day abusu ti aye encounter no because we me twam turo me yen trase nya di za ho amaka kansam gbata kofisam amaka nabra mansam mbaka aturo sam emuni pasu amiyen kaya no ntum te sa dia waka na no kura wo buwa wo ya bo pa wo diska wo pasu ya kawo sam ye betuma kawo sam a wo bedwane wo se wutuni wa mata hweye ni wa ba na wote dia sam na wo ka no efu to ba na wotu ogu ni pani wo ga na ha no wutu wa ana wo sister hey afaye ye joke TB Joshua sankura de men fama TB Joshua sankura de men fama I tell you TB Joshua sankura de men fama say TB Joshua sister wo na wo ye TB Joshua busu ni na wo te Ghana wo di agoro so so be catch say one say we catch asam na akwa na better as your kano e ya kwhwin say me na me catch na wo wo ye TB Joshua busuani wo ana te Ghana ha we should we ya bia wo ti wait wo say we ye TB e kabida to wani na reka me catch na wo na abususam a wo to wo kano wo ye TB Joshua busuani wo so what report to assembly of police station who call headquarters time I change you Obinim to yes of course everyone knew this says he 4 years ago the man was arrested and news it didn't carry to send news obviously the whole Ghana everybody know the man was arrested because it is everywhere and the man was taken from Nima to headquarters 3 days before the man was released. We know. And you know about me. And you know about catch a Ghana for. And you know about Ghana for. The catch it out. And you ask him now, case of Coraportoy. Nipa, obey yes, I case and no. The catch it out. It is a plan. I won't come here. What police in everything? Some police, you know, and yes, be a son, some way on person in the gym. Can you go to my bar out because I'm not boy in the car? He say net here, but he wouldn't come out because it doesn't concern him. but it concerned me much because the name was mentioned on air for everybody to hear. This police near, CID near, boy na bo din, aka some be ato so say no kura. Find means and ways and come and declare yourself. Catch now. Yanya kola ni go manim. Yanya mpapapafo bi ne yati baabi. Yanya kwahwifuo ne egu hawo. Yanya trufo ne egu hawo. Yanka nambra mansam, yanka kwahwifam, be catch now. Ah, wuni ni wo baba wuni ni wo bia odete wo. Wo de otiri nkwa. Otiri nkwa. Yesi mi yeni atemutia. Kama ku totally wo. Kama di watama ma oyere be ho. Catch now. Wo so wa no ya, wo wa no ya, aha te ha wani. Ejiro obi ni brameda yem. Susu mu ba ko ko fo bi ni betu ba oda yem abetra wo me catch now. But awurade wo mre a wo de punish nipa. Nti obia ne ho wasem we mu no, the person will never go cost free. The person will be punished by God. The catch now one. Nti ha wani am betesa brameda yem. Ne watu mirika ba. Wo buwa awurade kasa awurade ni nyoye kansem bebre na akiraw ematu futo ogu ni pani ai ha wani wo pa abrade deyem enye se wo kasa na wo bawo wo ho asotwe wo ho asodi wo ti we minimum age. But if you have a long years to spend on this life, then you have a price to pay upon your head and your family. Then the only answer oba wa ko ware firi wo busuem oba swan no me but o ye innocent wona wakoje wo pa ene wasoa but wafa no me ama busua wafa no me ama ma wo be no wasefo bebre because of negligence greediness inti wasefo bebre no me ba so do so o hawa manie wo wu abetiasi abusua mu do so fi se de wa yenti ya na mo nwini implications a eba wo mo niam a mo ye ho udi nyame nipa be di agro and try your Obinim. I tell you today. Until Asama America, to whom I am referring to, what church member, what to one shall neck, and first of all, forgiveness, Manu was a winning agro. Yet you want in the profile, in Penifobia gossip, in some Cosono, I am Penifobia, the can play farming, can play farm, a Casabatra one there. I am Penifobia, our man, I am put some monk of war. And he said, money probably our money until go for fire. And you can say, can some trade? O number, the Emma. Penny pow, oh, my muha. Penny no suffer. And no casa, me person, many softwareness, a casa, fan a number, Emma. But the softwareness number, the Emma. It is only one casa, and penny fool be a frayer, no. Mpenyimfo frey mpenyimfo nim mpenyimfo bi ewo ba bia fireman omo hunu se ensama ekoso niema ekoso no fireman frey na no omo ntimi emma out so na me che no omo ate na omo ye den omo hwe niema but omo nim se ensama ekoso no enya na kure fire no pawei before ye beba ha me wo ho na member bi frey me no and no say so for na zu nim nipa ko no o introduce no and no say pani bi a nim afre me ne ma di nkomo bi enti me de wo number ma no ama na afre wo na say good fama no me ko de ba fama no na asem ko e wo no on kan kire me ofre me a me Jesu agya pa chaw last prophet na woni ne kasa no o say mo so for me danyamia se sa me nsa kan en sama kosu nya me te wa bibufu eye mehi na ba bia nsem ni free ba no ye ni but en fire ho but say dey ye too much enti me no ba cancel bi but make sure say obema bishop asoate obema church administrator say na say mate what can say wo bo pa amobi e be cancel but wo hu sam e ba wo pa abofo no wo na me no kasa na wo TV so no wo pa abofo no wo nsam e ba mpanifo bi a wo ne mo nante pan ekura wo nsam e di message ne breyen ye kase ye betre ha tu nsem agu Ghana fo ani su no maso mu a kase hu nsem e ba no ye de ba ye kase aka with evidence e ba no ye beka hu nsem dia e due war between you wherever you are watching me today we didn't pay dime to look for any evidence against you. But look at what is happening. What cansama se nipa no mo kasa e me se nipa before e now people that they know you, they know your anger ha. Blogger bako ye for the Calvin nem for the diaka enso so or your blogger oba o kasa e ma yen o diba yen only me kasa 3 days ago in some of kachira me afọ paabofo ne ho no se oba America nyama wadi in some ya dia mame and the also. So now if somebody want to see proof, we will bring it. The catch people are ready to give us information and we are taking it by Obinim. Ah, we nyame bofo. Nyame no kofo sofo. Ono no say kojo. Home. Relax it. Pofo. Nipa bi so begu ani wase a, wo de gya no wani mu. Ba ne ho nsem a onim no ka se wonim ade a me papa ka kire ma eye me nwanwa me sire kire no se ode boni ache but oso nyame ho de awurade ndi take decision about that but ono Bishop Obinim ode boni ache me ka kire wo asemo ka kire me asema me ka kire me nsama me kae no so opana tumi mo ni bia ka so ka kire me so hold on. I'm not ready to talk to anybody. But when you say we catch you with evidence, if you on the baby, would you say be a good but control man, I can't want a man. The person will relax it. I don't want the kind of ball game to turn into different turn. Name person, in penny flow after me, oh papa, Bishop Obinim, and then I casa, almost a minute. Come on to my mankasa, my member air. I stays. To impanifuo ne nsam no makachira me no koso mo yamma mu panifuo
yo too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa on my Ghana so e na ye de bremu one god nie the only one god in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrechefo any Ghana for more movie safa na me recommend emamo too much GH.